what we'll try and do is we'll try and create some kind of a conditional formatting, something very simple yet extremely useful, especially when you want to sort of color code and understand patterns within systems. So in this case, once again, if we look at it, this is a red wine, a very basic red wine data set where we're looking at the type of grape, the tannins in each grape, the acidity, the alcohol, the body, and the fruit flavoring. Of course, it has regions, and these are text bits and strings and varietals and profile. What we do want to see is there a pattern of tannins and acidity and alcohol? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the data set, click there, left mouse, pull the row forward, right? So I've got everything selected from B2 until F2. Now on a Mac, what you can do is press Command, Shift and down arrow, and then suddenly it'll check the entire data range. So that if you've got loads and loads of data, you don't have to constantly scroll and lose yourself in the way. You can simply press Command, Shift and the down button, and you'll immediately have it. So once we've got that, it tells you this is the whole area and that we need to conditionally format. Now we will simply go into Format and go into conditional formatting, and the last, where do you want to apply it? So all right, current selection sounds good. What should be a rule? Let's create a rule. We want to create, suppose, a 3-color scheme. We want to say which are the grapes that have medium tannin, low tannin, high tannin, medium acidity, medium low acidity, high acidity, low alcohol, high alcohol, low body, high body, and so forth. So lowest one, let's create a lighter version for the low. So let's say it's a yellow, and the medium, let's say it's a pastel blue, and the higher one might be, let's say it's an orange, or it's a very weird kind of an orange. And we'll say, all right, so once again, what we're doing is we're categorizing it. We're creating a quick conditional formatting to show if there's a color-coded pattern that we can create. And we click on OK. And click OK, and guess what? It immediately creates a color-coded pattern, which basically shows that, hey, some of these are somewhat high, a tannin and acidity, medium level alcohol, high body. Remember, that was the color scheme, medium to high. So you can see the entire panoply of colors to get a quick check on what we think would be. So we know that if it's 10, it's high colors. It's got that burnt sienna orange color out there. But this is a good way to create a quick check, like creating a quick color-coded set, just to look at, rather than looking at loads and loads of data. You can quickly find what you want to figure out by the color